Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Warzone 3 crashing and not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open up AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing it, go to home. In here you need to find the Call of Duty and select the details. Select the spanner icon over here and you just need to select this drop down in the resolution and select the recommended resolution and drag this point to performance and select apply to save changes. Now go back, just to minimize it. The second step, you just need to open up Steam. You just need to right click on the Call of Duty and select properties. You just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just to copy it and paste in the launch options. After pasting it, just click on outside and go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting done, just close stuff here. The third step, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting your up to date, just close stuff here. Now open up GeForce Experience and click on the Call of Duty launch option and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.